One of the gifts that I didn't know that I had till I got into the arena was that I was able to sense energy, and therefore I was attracted to things that took advantage of that gift, being able to sense chakras and balance them, being able to find acupuncture points easily, being able to sense energy fields. And so I gravitated to healing arts that leverage those abilities. And um, so I do a lot of very sophisticated muscle response testing where I can see real time. No, I don't see them. I'm not clairvoyant, but I can feel it. I can sense immediate real time changes in the energy field. And so sometimes I check energy fields around products, and I check the impact of when you put a product in close to a human. There's an interaction between the energy field of the human and the energy field of the product, and I can see what happens there. And so um, when I got the shakes, I tested the energy field around the bag of the shake. And to make a long story short, most good products for me will have an energy field of maybe like 2 or 3 feet if they're really good products. And the energy field around the bag of the shake was 7 feet in every direction. And I'm not saying that I can tell you exactly all the physical and metaphysical reasons why, but I can definitely tell you, you know, uh, swearing on my mother's grave, I can tell you that the energy field around that shake was 7 feet in every direction. And then when I had the person hold it, obviously there was an amplification and a balancing of the field. And then don't want to get too much in the weeds here, but but by having them hold the shake, I was able to demonstrate within the context of what I was doing with the patients. I was able to demonstrate what I was mentioning earlier, that people needed less other stuff. And that's a big deal because people have a limited amount of money they can spend on things, and you don't want to create a therapeutic regimen for a patient that even if they can afford it, it's unwieldy.